Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn class 9 social science. We will take up geography chapter number 5 natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay, let us start. Have you observed the types of tree, bushes, grasses, bird in the field and the park in and around your school? That means in the park or in the school, okay, you can see different type of grass, okay, different type of bushes, okay, different types of that is birds, okay, we can see. That means all are not same, okay, there is a variations, okay. That means we know that India is a vast country, okay. Throughout everywhere, what happened, there is a different bioform, okay, there is different animals, okay, different varieties of plant, okay, you can find, okay. Our country India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity country of the world. That means India ranked 12, okay, in terms of biodiversities, okay. Why India have 47,000, okay, plant species in India, okay. It occupied what 10th place in the world and 4th place in the Asia. That means in India occupy in terms of world how many 10th place, and in Asia it is a 4th place, okay. There are above 15,000 flowering plant, okay, in India, okay, which account, okay, 6% if you in the world, okay. If you look in the throughout the world, that means India occupied how much 6%, okay. So that is about the flowering plant and non-flowering plant also. There are a lot of non-flowering plants, okay, like algae, fungi, okay. Approximately, look here, 90,000 of species of animal, as well as what rich varieties of fishes and its fresh and marine waters, okay. That means India have a lot of varieties of flora and fauna, okay. And natural vegetation means plant community. You have to know natural vegetation means what? Plant community which grow naturally without, that means natural vegetation, that means which grow naturally, not by an human, okay, not by an human, okay. So look here, natural vegetation refer to a plant community which is grown naturally without human aid and has left it undisturbed by human for a long time. That is called a virgin vegetation, okay. Thus cultivated crops and fruits, orchids form part of vegetation but not a natural vegetation. That means what the human being have been cultivated, that is not a natural vegetation, that is a vegetation, okay, but that is not a natural vegetation, okay. The term flora is related to what? Plant species, and fauna is related to animal species, okay. We have to know that one in India we have a large varieties of plant species as well as animal species, okay. Relief, okay, let us see what are the factors, okay, what are the factor responsibility, okay. Let us study one by one. The first one is what? Relief, okay. In relief it include land is also affect the natural vegetation directly or indirectly, okay. Directly or indirectly, yes. Do we expect the same type of vegetation in mountain? That means in the mountain plateau or the plain area or in the dry region or the wet regions, okay, plant are not same, okay. Plant are not same. The fertile level is generally devoted to agriculture. That means fertile land is what? They are used for agricultural purpose, okay. And look here, the undulating and the rough terrains are area where grassland and the woodland develop and give shelter for to a varieties of wildlife, okay. That means the area which is not what for cultivated, that area is what? In short, forest area, okay. It is the home, or it is a home of wild animals, okay. Soil also one important factors, okay. That means we have a varieties of different type of soil provide different types of vegetation, okay. Everywhere the soil is not same. In hills you will find different type of soil, in plain different type of soil, okay. With the difference of soil, the availability of plant and animal is also different. Next is what? Climate. Temperature is also very important. With the difference of what? Climate, okay. Climate, what happened? With the difference of temperature, temperature, the plant species also difference. Okay, suppose if the mountain or the Himalaya is above 1000 meter or 915 above, okay, then they are going to found different type of plant species. Okay, like tropical to subtropical to alpine vegetation. That means if we increase the height, that means they will find different types of what plant species. Okay, and different type of animals. Okay, and next is what photoperiod. For photoperiod means in short sunlight. Sunlight is also where sunlight is getting more, then what happened, there will be different with the difference of sunlight. Okay, what happened, the varieties of plant is also different. Next is what, precipitation. Yes, of course, precipitation also, if the precipitation amount of precipitation is different, then we will find different type of what, plant species. Okay, suppose if you get more rainfall, then what happen, you'll find evergreen forest. If less, somewhat moderate, then you'll find monsoon type of forest. Okay, so that's all. So, and next, have you ever brought to why forests are important? Why forest is very important? Because it control. Okay, because they are taking the main role. Okay, suppose if we have more forest, then the environment will be good qualities. Okay, they control everything, they modify local climate control. That means if we have good forest, then it control what, soil erosion. Okay, regulate stream flow. That means everything is what, control. So we should not disturb what, forest. Okay, that means nowadays what happened, natural vegetation is goes on changing. Why? Because of what, for the industrialization, more forest area have been disturbed, for mining also, for urbanization, for overgrazing. Okay, what happened, we are disturbing our environment. We should stop that one. Okay, that means vegetation cover of India is a large part is more than natural in the real sense, except in some accessible region like Himalaya and the Himal. Look here, India is what happened. Now India is facing a problem nowadays. Okay, that means most of the forested area are now have been cleared. Okay, only in some area that is very difficult to survive human only in that region. Okay, that like Himalayan area, that is not disturbed by human. Why? Because it is very difficult. Okay, so that's why the people are not entering. Okay, that's why the people are not entering, they are not disturbed. Okay, if once the human have been disturbed, then the percentage will be decreased. Okay, so next is what, ecosystem. Yes, we have already know that plant occur in distinct groups, okay, of community in area having similar climatic condition than natural. In short, you can say that the interaction between the plant and non-living things, okay, that is called an ecosystem. Okay, the natures of plants in an area to a large extent determine the animal life in that area. Suppose if we have more natural area, then you'll get animals. Okay, when a natural vegetation is altered, the animal life is also changes. That means animals and plants are depend on each other. Okay, why? They are independent. If there is no forest, then there will be no wildlife. Okay, that means wildlife is what, depend on forest. Okay, if we clear the forest, then the population of wild animal will be decreased. Okay, human beings are also an integral part of an ecosystem. That means yes, we human being is also an integral part of what, ecosystems. Okay, so we should not disturb. Okay, so we are utilizing our vegetation and wildlife properly. The great but the some human being, okay, they want to utilize that resource of what, natural as well as wildlife. They what, disturb the flora and fauna, that is animal life and plant life. Okay, Do you know that a very large ecosystem of land have been distinct type of vegetation, animal life is called biome. Okay, biome is what you can say that a very large ecosystem on land having different type of what vegetation and wildlife. Suppose if that means due to the difference of what natural vegetation, you will find different type of animals. With the difference of what natural vegetation, you are going to find different types of animals. Okay, the biome are identified on the basis of plant. That means biome are identified what on the basis of what, plant or animal? Plant, of course, plant. Okay, and next is what, type of vegetation. Okay, you can say that natural vegetation is what, you can say that in simple word, it is a type of forest. Okay, the first one. Okay, here we are going to learn about the 5 forest types. Okay, the first one is what, tropical evergreen forest, and second one is what, tropical deciduous forest, and third one is what, tropical thorn forest and shrub, and fourth one is what, mountain forest, and the fifth one is what, mangrove forest. Okay, let us discuss the first one, tropical evergreen forest. Okay, that means yes, we have already know tropical evergreen forest. Okay, these forests are restricted to heavy rainfall. Okay, tropical evergreen forest where they used to receive heavy rainfall. Okay, in that particular area. Okay, the amount of rainfall they receive is what, 200 centimeters. Okay, annually with a dry season. Okay, and the tree are very much tall, about up to 60 meters. Okay, and sometime above 60 meters. Okay, this region is warm and wet throughout the whole years. Okay, some of the trees are what, luxuriant vegetations. Okay, tree like shrubs and creeper give a multi-layer to these structures. Okay, some of the important trees are what, ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, and cinchona. Okay, some common animals. Okay, animals are what, elephant, monkey, lemur, deer. Okay, even one-horned rhino is also found in Assam, West Bengal. Okay, some of the bird like other than animal like bird, bat, sloth, scorpion, snail are also found in this type of jungle. That is what, tropical evergreen forest. And next one is what, tropical deciduous forest. Okay, tropical deciduous forest, it is also known as the monsoon forest. Okay, what we find here especially in India. Okay, India occupy larger percent of what, tropical deciduous forest, that is monsoon forest. Okay, its rainfall is between 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter. Okay, trees of these forest types, they lives for 6 to 8 weeks in a dry season. That means they used to set their leaf. Okay, between 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, in the dry season. On the basis of availabilities of water, these forests are divided into again moist and dry. That is moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. Okay, the former is found in area receiving, look here, the area which receive 100 centimeter to 200 centimeters. Okay, these are especially in the part of eastern part of our country, northeastern part. Okay, and the Himalayas, foothill of Himalaya like Jharkhand, West Orissa, Chhattisgarh. Okay, and the eastern slope of Western Ghat. Okay, in here you will find teak. Okay, teak is the dominant. Okay, and the teak is very common in this type of, even bamboo also, sal also, sesame also, sandalwood also, kher also, kusum also, arjun, mulberry. These are commonly found in this area. Okay, that is about what, moist. Okay, moist tropical deciduous forest. Okay, and next is what, dry deciduous forest. Okay, it is found between 70 to 100 centimeter rainfall. Okay, that annual rainfall, it is found in the area of peninsular plateau and the plain area of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, important tree are teak, sal, okay, people, neem, they are grown. Okay, and a large part of this region have been cleared. Okay, why? For the cultivation and for the purpose of grazing of, okay, and some animals. Okay, the important animals found in this area are lion, tiger, pig, deer, and elephant. Okay, and huge varieties of birds, lizards, snakes, tortoise are also found. Okay, and next one is what? The third type, that is the thorn forest and the shrub. Okay, the reason is what? Less than 70 centimeter of annual rainfall. Okay, the natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and the bushes. Okay, this type of vegetation is specially found in the northwestern part of our countries. Okay, and in the semi-arid area of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. That is what semi-arid area. Okay, semi-arid area. And some common plant of this forest are acacia, okay, palm, euphorbias, okay, and cactus are very common in this area. Okay, trees are very less, okay, and they have a long root, okay, deep penetrate up into the soil. Why? To get waters. Okay, leaf are the stem are succulent to conserve water. That means that stem is succulent. Okay, why? Because to conserve, they have to keep water. They have to survive that one. Okay, leaves are very thick and small. Why the leaves are very thin and small? To minimize the evaporation. Okay, these forests give way to thorn forest, shrub, and in arid area. Okay, some of the common animals, okay, found in this area are rat, mice, rabbit, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, and asses, horses, and camel. Okay, and next one is what? Mountain forest. That means those forest type which is found in what? Higher altitude. Okay, where temperature is what? Very low. Okay, so let us start. The wet temperature type of forests are found between, if we increase the height, okay, between 1000 to 2000 meter. Okay, and there you will find evergreen board trees such as oak and chestnuts and pine. Between 1500 to 3000 you will find temperate forest. Okay, light coniferous pine, deodar, and silver spruce, cedar. Okay, these forests cover mostly the southern slope of Himalaya place, having a high altitude or in south and northeast India. That means in northeast India this type of forest is very common. Okay, and next one is what? At higher elevation. Okay, more than that one. Okay, more than that one, it is above what? 3600 meter above. Okay, from the mean sea level. Okay, you will find grassland. Okay, and alpine, light silver fir, juniper, pine, and birch. Okay, these type of trees are very common in that one, and however they get progressively stunted to approach the snow line. That means this is the snow line. Above that there will be no plant. Okay, only a small plant like grassland. Okay, shrubs. Okay, and they merge into pine grasses, and they use extensively for grazing of nomadic tribes like Gujar and Bakrawal. Okay, at higher altitude moths and lichens form part of tundra vegetation. That means in the higher altitude you will get what? Grassland. Okay, where some tribals, okay, they used to nomadic tribe, they used to settle like Gujar and Bakrawal. Okay, at higher altitude only grasses. Okay, mosses and lichens and some grasses, they used to survive there. Okay, some common animals like Kashmir tuck, spot deers, okay, wild sheep, jackal, rabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrel, okay, shaggy horn, wild ibex, bears, rare, red panda, sheep, goats with a thick hair. Okay, and next one is what? Mangrove. Okay, mangrove forest you'll find in saline area. Okay, mangrove tidal forest. Okay, this is also known as tidal forest. Okay, it is found in the coastal area. Okay, mud and silt accommodated on such area where you will find silt and mud. Most of the coastal area they are consisted with what silt and mud. Okay, dense mangrove are common in the variety with the roots. Okay, of plant submerged under. That means most of the roots are they are submerged. Okay, under the waters. Okay, where you are going to find in the delta of Ganga and Mahanadi. Okay, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri. Okay, and Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Okay, in that area you will find this type of mangrove forest. Okay, Sundari tree is also very common. Okay, palm, coconut, cheodar, agar are also grow in some delta. Okay, here you will find Royal Bengal tiger is very famous in this area. Okay, turtle, crocodile, gargoyle, snakes are also found in this area. And next one is what? Wildlife. Okay, yes, we have already know that in India we have different varieties of what? Natural vegetation. Then according to that we are going to find different types of animal, okay, species in India. Wildlife, light flora. Okay, light wildlife, light plant kingdoms. Okay, India is also rich in fauna. That means light plant species. India is also very rich in animal species. Let us see, 90,000 of animal species are found in India. That means 2,000 species of bird. Okay, in India it constitutes 13% in the world total. Okay, it is very much large. And you will find 2,546 species of fish. Okay, nearly 12% of the world. Okay, world stock. That means each year between 5 to 8% in the world amphibian, reptile and mammal. That means in India we have lot of animals. Okay, lot of animal varieties are found in India. Okay, the elephant are the most important majestic animals. Okay, that among the mammal. That means elephant is a very important mammal animals. Okay, it is found in Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. Even one-horned rhino is found in Assam and West Bengals. Okay, in the area of swampy and the marshy area. Okay, in the arid area you will find, in the arid area of run of Kutch and the Thar desert you will find wild ass and camel. Okay, Indian bison. Okay, blue hulls. Okay, four-horned rhino, antelopes, gazelles. Okay, and different types of deers are also found in India. It is also several species of. That means in India we have different types of animal species are also found in India. Okay, in simple, India is the only country in the world that have both tiger and lion. That means India is the only one country where we find what? In lion and tigers both. Okay, in any other country you will find both. Only one they will find either lion or tiger, but in India we have find two. Okay, both. The natural inhabitants of Indian lion, that means Indian lion is found in what? Gir forest of Gujarat. Tiger is found in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Sundarban and West Bengal Himalayan region of forest area. Leopard is also found. Okay, leopard too is also a family of cat. We have already know that one. Then there are important animals of this prey are also found. Okay, that means we have found different animals. Okay, the Himalayan harbors. Okay, hard range animals. Okay, extreme cold, Ladakh, freezing high altitude are home of yak. That means in cold area we have different types of animals. Okay, and even in due to the different of climatic condition we have found different types of animal species. Okay, like peacock is found in some area, and wild sheep is found in some area. Tibetan antelope is found in Himalayan regions. Okay, these are found in Himalayan region. Even in the river and the lake and coastal area are found what? Turtle, crocodile. Okay, gargoyle are also found. Okay, and different type of crocodile species also found. And in India we have found different types of bird species also, like peacock, pigeon, duck, parakeet, cans, okay, pigeons, and so many things. Okay, we have selected our crops of biodiversities, okay, diversity from of reserve and edible plant. Okay, and we also find many medicinal plant. Okay, we have found so many medicinal plant, and they also provide us nature meals animal. They also provide us drought power, transportation, meat, egg. That means different types of animal they are providing us so many things. Okay, fish provide us what? Nutritious food. Okay, so some animals are help in the pollinations. Okay, some, that means they are what? Independence. Okay, they are interdependent each others. Okay, they are playing important roles. Okay, they are playing important roles. About 1300 plant species have India. That means in India what happens? About 1300 plant species became endangered. Okay, 20 species are already extinct. Okay, some animals are very extinct and some animals are endangered. Okay, that means we have to take care, otherwise in futures who know it is going to be extinct, so we should take care. So for taking care, so all the plant as well as what animal, we have to keep balance. Okay, if when it become imbalanced, then it disturb all our environment. So we need a balance. So the government take initiative step to keep balance both flora and fauna. So that's why they have started to protect flora and fauna. Okay, number 1, 14 bioreserve have been set up in our country to protect flora and fauna. That means 14 bioreserve program have been already started in India. Okay, 4 of these are Sundarbans in West Bengal, Nanda Devi in Uttarakhand, Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu, Nilgiris in Kerala, Karnataka. They have been in the world network of biosphere. Okay, look here, India. That means the government are also taking initiative to conserve these things. Okay, and the financial and technical assistance to provide many botanical garden by government since 1992. After 1992, the government have started so many botanical garden with financial support as well as technical support. Okay, and number 3rd point is what? The government have started protected tiger, project tiger, project rhino, project great Indian bustard, and many others. Okay, project have been introduced to protect animals. Okay, wild animals, and the government have already started 89 national park, 490 wildlife sanctuary, and many zoological garden have been set up. Okay, and all of us make us realize the importance of natural ecosystem of our own survival, and it is possible if indiscriminate destruction of natural environment is put to an immediate end. That means for this, okay, to protect all natural vegetation as well as wildlife, they are playing important roles, okay, directly or indirectly. So we need to keep balance. When it become imbalanced, our environment become dangerous. Okay, so we need to keep balance. Okay, we need to protect both flora and fauna. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.